foundation is about economic development for the parish of St. Thomas. And economic development cannot take place unless there is a strong educational foundation. And mathematics is one of those subjects that, if done well, learned well by a whole lot of students, then we can have a parish, we can have even an individual who can function in society. And so this donation by Google that was for the Mathematics Honors College is going to help immensely in bridging the achievement gap, helping our students increase their passes in C-Sec mathematics, and then in other subject areas, because those people who can think critically, who can think analytically, tend also to do well in other subject areas. I am thrilled again that the Honorable Fable Williams actually made it here, because what she's showing by her presence, journeying to St. Thomas, Eastern St. Thomas, and the roads that we have, that the ministry, the government, really serious about education. And more than that, they're willing to partner with NGOs like ourselves to get things done. So I'm really excited about that. I'm excited about how things have gone. Yes.
Absolutely excellent initiative on the part of all the persons involved with the St. Thomas Renaissance Foundation. And so I'm excited, I'm happy to see that a past student of one of our high schools in St. Thomas stepped forward and is doing this for his school that he attended. This is to be emulated by all of us, all across Jamaica.
The St. Thomas Renaissance Foundation is a blessing to St. Thomas on a whole. They are always looking out for the parish. So the fact that they got Google to donate $27 million to them, and they would purchase 1,100 Chromebooks to assist us here in St. Thomas, I am very grateful. It will be a blessing to the students. Like they said, math counts, and we're looking forward to the students using the Chromebooks and shining.
This is the St. Thomas Renaissance Foundation. If you're from St. Thomas, a friend of St. Thomas, this is your foundation. And what that means is whatever initiatives we have, support those initiatives. But more than that, whatever initiative that you might have, let us see how we can work together to make your dreams come true, if it's all about St. Thomas and improving the parish of St. Thomas.